This doesn't look like a normal luxury sedan. This looks like the future wearing a Mercedes badge. Today we're taking a deep dive into the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, a car that doesn't just move you from A to B, it completely redefines what luxury mobility means. Stay till the end because this might be the most advanced S-Class ever built. Starting from the front, the 2026 S-Class looks elegant, confident, and quietly intimidating. The wide, gloss-black grille flows smoothly into razor-thin LED headlights, connected by a sleek light strip that stretches across the nose. The iconic Mercedes star sits proudly at the center, instantly reminding you this is still the king of luxury sedans. The sculpted hood is clean and refined, giving the car a futuristic presence without being flashy. From the side, the S-Class shows its limousine DNA. The long wheelbase, smooth body lines, and coupe-like roofline create a silhouette that looks effortless and premium. Flush door handles keep the surface clean and aerodynamic, while the large multi-spoke wheels fill the arches perfectly. The balance between chrome accents and dark trim gives it a modern, executive look that feels expensive from every angle. At the rear, the design is minimal yet striking. Slim LED taillights stretch across the trunk, giving the car a wide and planted stance. The Mercedes-Benz lettering across the back adds sophistication, while the S-Class badge subtly reminds you where this car stands in the luxury hierarchy. The lower bumper is clean and refined, with integrated exhaust styling that keeps everything elegant and understated. Under the hood, the 2026 S-Class is all about effortless power and intelligence. Advanced turbocharged and electrified powertrains deliver smooth, near-silent acceleration. This isn't a car built to be aggressive, it's built to glide. Paired with adaptive air suspension and road-scanning technology, the ride feels almost unreal, floating over imperfections while keeping total control. Step inside, and this is where the S-Class truly separates itself from everything else. The interior feels more like a private luxury lounge than a car. Premium leather, real wood trim, soft ambient lighting, and flawless stitching surround you. The massive curved digital display stretches across the dashboard, seamlessly blending the driver cluster and infotainment system into one futuristic interface. The steering wheel feels modern yet familiar, while the center console is clean, minimal, and beautifully sculpted. The MBUX system is smarter than ever, with crystal clear visuals, responsive touch controls, and voice commands that actually understand you. Everything feels intuitive and perfectly placed. Rear passengers are treated like royalty. Executive seating, whisper-quiet insulation, and next-level comfort turn every journey into a first-class experience. This is a car designed as much for being driven in as it is for driving. For 2026, the S-Class pushes even further with enhanced autonomous driving features, smarter AI assistance, improved safety systems, and an even more refined ride quality. Everything feels more polished, more intelligent, and more luxurious, while still staying true to the S-Class identity. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class isn't just a luxury sedan, it's a statement. A statement that comfort, technology, and elegance can exist at the highest possible level. If this is the future of luxury cars, Mercedes-Benz is already there. Let me know what you think about the new S-Class in the comments. Would you choose this over its rivals? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next video.